Oh, goodness. Good morning, HB. It's a rough morning already. You're chasing the girls and doing a lot of running without much success, aren't you? Oh. A lot of running and not much success. You're at a distinct height disadvantage, I think. Oh. Your dance is impressive, big guy. I like it. Gonna give us a crow this morning. Are you feeling it? Apparently not. Oh. All right. Good work. Are you feeling good about yourself now? Makes you hungry. No crowing this morning, huh? Well, okay. What are we doing? Well, I guess other matters occupy the mind. Time to eat a little. Have a more on the mind first thing, and then some food to help keep your energy levels up, huh? The life of a rooster. A bantam rooster among the big laying hens. All right, HB. No crow this morning. We're going to hit the road. You have a good day. Yeah, he's going to be, whoa, still pretty. Good job. He's going to be quiet today. Y'all have a good day. See you soon.